Hi, Samia here, and today we are talking about wallets. What are crypto wallets? Unlike a typical wallet, which can hold real money, crypto wallets technically don't store your crypto. Your holdings are stored on the blockchain, but only a private key associated with your wallet can access them. Your keys enable transactions and serve as proof of ownership for your digital currency. Your private keys are kept safe and accessible by crypto wallets. You may transmit, receive, and spend cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum using them as well. Types of crypto wallet. Crypto wallets range from simple-to-use apps to more sophisticated security solutions. The main wallet categories include the following. Paper wallets. Keys are recorded on a physical medium, such as paper, and kept in a secure location. Naturally, this makes using your cryptocurrency more difficult because, being digital money, it can only be spent online. Hardware wallets. Keys are contained in a thumb drive that is kept in a secure location and only linked to a computer when you want to use your cryptography. The goal is to strike a balance between convenience and security. Online wallets. Keys are kept in an application or other piece of software. This makes using, sending, and receiving your cryptocurrency as simple as using any online brokerage, payment system, or bank account.